Hey everyone, welcome! In this video, we're diving into Acorns, a micro-investing app perfect for beginners. Find the link below. Acorns makes investing effortless, especially if you're new to it or want to invest small amounts regularly. It uses your everyday spending to build your wealth over time. Acorns' key feature? Roundups. Link your card, and Acorns rounds up purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the spare change. Buy a $3.50 coffee? Acorns invests 50 cents. It's all automatic, passively building your investments. Acorns offers diverse portfolios based on your risk tolerance, conservative, moderate, or aggressive. These portfolios use low-cost ETFs, diversifying your investments across different sectors. You can also automate contributions with Smart Deposit, ensuring consistent portfolio growth. Acorns has a monthly fee, $3 for the basic plan, investing and roundups, or $5 which adds a retirement account and tax advantages. While low, these fees can accumulate, especially with smaller balances. Acorns is ideal for starting simply, but experienced traders might want more customization. If hands-off investing appeals to you, Acorns is a solid choice. It's a user-friendly app for effortless investing, perfect for avoiding the complexities of traditional brokerage accounts. Ready to start? Check the link below.